My door handle broke from the inside, so I have to roll down the window to get out of the truck. Old truck problems. Holy moly, guys. It is freaking stormy out right now. The wind is whipping. The snow is just pummeling down. It's, as of right now, there's pretty blizzard-like conditions, and I'm not sure if they're going to continue through the night or get worse from here. But either way, I'm in my nice, warm, cozy camper. So I'm going to have a nice, relaxing night either way. Welcome back to another video, guys. Merry Christmas. Merry late Christmas. I'm sorry I missed you on Christmas. I originally had plans and intentions to create a Christmas special type video like I've done in the past, but unfortunately the universe had different plans. I was supposed to go down to Southern California to work on the camper and also spend the holidays with family and friends, but right when we were supposed to leave, this crazy ice storm hit Portland, or all of like the Pacific Northwest. And it wasn't a snowstorm, it was an ice storm. There was just freezing rain coming down and creating a layer of ice on everything, making it just very sketchy to drive anywhere. So unfortunately we couldn't leave, and we ended up just staying home for like 2 or 3 days. I was looking forward to getting to spend Christmas with my family down in Southern California, but we made the most of it, and it was a good time either way. And I hope that you guys all had a good Christmas as well. I do still have plans to make it down to Southern California later in January because the camper needs some work, and it's officially rainy season here in Oregon. So it's just been non-stop raining every single day, all day. And I really don't have the opportunity to do any kind of work on the camper in the rain like that. In the meantime, I decided that I would head up here to the mountains, do some snowboarding, and really just enjoy the snow because while I'm here, I might as well make the most of it. Yep, it's still really coming down out there. You guys hear that? It is windy out right now. I never ate lunch today, so I'm gonna be making a little something right now because I am starving. I got a good dinner planned for tonight, but for now, I'm gonna be heating up a little snack. Well, it's not really a snack because this is gonna be a full-on meal. This is a piece of baked tofu that I made at home the other day. I marinated it and then baked it, and it actually came out really, really good. Some of you will be disappointed in me, but that's okay. Convenience right now is all that matters. Yes, this is a boil in a bag rice. Don't judge me. Might as well crack a brewski. Cheers. We got Laurelwood Brewing Co. Workhorse IPA. The camper is shaking like a boat right now. So this is not exactly what I was planning on making, but I just had the idea and it sounds good. What was gonna be a little stir fry on top of white rice, I'm actually gonna just add the rice right to it and do, it's not exactly fried rice because this is not how I would make fried rice, but it's gonna be closer to a fried rice than my original dish was going to be. Soy sauce. I don't have fresh chopped garlic on hand, so I'm just going to use some garlic powder. Last thing we're going to add is a little bit of sesame oil. Like I said, I had no intentions on making fried rice, but it kind of just happened naturally. And it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. After I finish eating here, I think I'm gonna go outside and show you guys a cool little spot over here. Because I don't want to just sit in here for the whole day. There's still a little bit of daylight. Yeah, we still got a little bit of daylight, and I want to show you guys what it's looking like out here. All right, first bite. I gotta be honest with you guys. The boil in a bag rice, it's not very good. But other than that, I'll take it. You know, the one thing about winter that I really hate is just how short the days are. It just feels like as soon as the afternoon rolls around, you're like, well, my day's pretty much over. Starting to get a little bit worried that my camera is gonna get damaged with all this snow. I want to show you guys how pretty this forest is. It's snowing so hard right now, guys. I feel like I'm in a freaking Nordic country right now in a snowstorm. Oh my gosh. Oh! The snow's kind of deep. I'm not wearing snowshoes, but look at that. My camera is just completely covered in snow right now. It's supposed to be pretty waterproof, but I don't know. Oh my gosh. Woo! Okay, you know what? I think it's time to turn around and get back into the camper where it's nice and nice and warm. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Man. Oh boy, my camera just covered in snow and water. Oh, it's gotten worse, that's for sure. It's gotten worse than when I got here. Oh, that was fun though. Honestly, I would have kept going a little bit. My intention was to go on a little stroll around, but I was just worried that this camera is gonna get ruined with all the snow that was just piling up on it. So I had to turn around. Maybe I'll go back out there for a little bit before I get dry. Fortunately, my camera's still working all right. I really don't have much to do since I'm snowed in here, so I'm just gonna watch a movie. Damn heater out of the way. I don't have the heater going right now, but I'm thinking about firing it up because it's not so bad in here right now, but at the same time, if I could have it nice and warm and toasty, I don't see why not. Now, I can be comfortable. Tonight for dinner, I'm gonna be having a ribeye steak. I'm just gonna let this steak warm up to room temperature because it has been sitting in the cooler this whole time. That rosemary garlic combo is smelling primo right now. Unfortunately, it seems like once again my pan is just not getting hot enough. That's great. Wow. Potatoes are good. So the rosemary that I used, I actually picked it from a bush that was growing right on my street. I've walked by it many times. My sister actually goes and gets rosemary there for dishes here and there. So kind of cool that I didn't even have to get it at the store. Now, as you all can probably imagine, it got quite greasy in here from cooking the steak. Lots of meat juices splattering and butter and all of the good stuff. So, cleaning up in here after cooking a steak is always a bit of a OCD-inducing task for me. You know, it's hugely important to keep a small space like this nice and clean. You don't want oil just sticking everywhere, and I don't know. In general, you guys know me. You know I like to keep things clean, keep things tidy as much as possible. It's kind of tough when you have such a small space, but then again, this space is a lot larger than other people's rigs and setups. What a long night it's been. I actually fell asleep for a little bit because the movie just was good, but kind of dragged on forever. Woo! Not sure how well you can tell, but the plow guy just came in and cleared this entire parking lot. It was super deep about 20 minutes ago. As you can see where my truck is, it's still that deep. He couldn't get that close to my truck. But everywhere else, nice and plowed. Thumbs up to the road crews who come up here and make sure the motorists are staying safe. You guys rock. Ugh. Okay, I just got to the ski resort and the conditions right now look freaking gnarly. It's like completely white out conditions, can't see anything. But nonetheless, I think we're in for a good time. Got some really bad news, guys. My GoPro went missing. I lost it. 1 minute I had it screwed in to my helmet here, and then the next minute I checked and it was gone. So I'm actually kind of perplexed because nothing is broken, nothing is missing. The GoPro is just gone. It's very strange. Even the locking mechanism is still intact. So talk about a freak accident. I have no idea what to make of that. Oh man. Oh well. Still a good session, and I'm glad that I stuck around and waited to get a few runs in because it was really fun. The snow conditions were good. It was really windy and low visibility, but it was still fun. Alright folks, I think that's actually going to do it for this one. Thank you guys like always for watching. You guys go out there and go on some adventures of your own. Live life, beat the status quo, y'all know the drill. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one. Over and out. Peace.